High school dropout overcomes all odds to get her college degree.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A 49-year-old mother of 5 is being hailed as a role model after managing to overcome odds, including pregnancy, that forced her to drop out of high school at age 15 to become a college graduate. This feat is not new, but what is unique is the determination showed by Yasmin to achieve the goal despite suffering an extraordinary number of setbacks. Among the setbacks, Gordon, over a period spanning some 20 years, starting in the 1990s, tried close to 10 times without success to pass the CXC examinations that would allow her to matriculate to college. What is worse is that the Clarendon-based Gordon had to repeatedly endure the pain of people telling her that she would not amount to anything good in life. Imagine dropping out of school as a teenager, trying to take CXC on numerous occasions and failing. She said a lack of family and financial support were behind much of her setbacks, explaining that on at least 5 occasions, she studied hard for CXC but just could not raise the necessary funds to pay for the exams. To make matters worse, after having her first child, Gordon would go on to have 4 more children before passing her first subject. Months would turn into years with Gordon, who was mostly a single mom over that period, having to put a hold on her dream of earning a degree in order to provide for her children. Undeterred, she would later enroll in a police youth club in her community, and that was where friends continued to encourage her never to give up on her dream. Determined, she worked odd jobs to make ends meet. At one point, I worked in a bar. I even worked as a housemaid, and later would get a job as a caregiver at a basic school, Gordon said. She used part of her mere $3,000 a month from working at the basic school to enroll in private classes with a view to finally getting over the CXC hurdle. She eventually took over her CXC subjects, passing 4 after close to 20 years of trial and failures. Having 4 subjects was not enough. She needed 5 to matriculate into college to start her degree program. She was given a lifeline by the Catholic College of Mandeville, which allowed her to start the degree program, but told her she had to pass CXC mathematics in order to graduate. Finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, Gordon made a trip from Clarendon to school in Mandeville almost daily. People around me used to ask how I did it, but I was just determined to make good of myself, Gordon said. In late October, the dream would finally come through, and Gordon managed to graduate with a Bachelor of Arts degree in primary education. As she walked up the podium to collect her certificate, tears streamed down her face as she reflected on the journey of dropping out of school at age 15 and raising 5 children, her eldest now over 30 years old. The day felt like a dream to me when I realized that what I had worked so hard for had finally come through. She also has a message for young people. With hard work, anything is possible. I just want to use the occasion to call on young people out there to stick to their dreams. Many times I see children not going to school, even though they are getting support from their parents. I want to let them know that education is very important. It took me several years to realize my dream, but I stuck to it. Use me as an example that with determination you can achieve anything, Gordon said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.